Alright, so we got our stuff ready.
Yeah, man.
This is Romario. We got our stuff right in there, ready to go to the sleeping giant.
You not drive?
I'm gonna check if this guy insurance. Straight? Alright, so we are on our way. We're up on the road. We might buy some French bread, but the French bakery closed. So. Yeah, so Romario and Pablo did the front, and I did right the side of the back. Nobody else make what I come, but that's straight. We're gonna have a next time. Right now, I blast some fucking tunes, yeah, for this trip, cause this trip are nice. Alright, so this is the entrance. This is the entrance for the spot that grows. Yeah, maladonga and hirami. Oh, sit in there. Don't tired? It's probably just only 30-minute walk, man. What do you want, Pabs? Feel tired? You regret this? No?
Hopefully soon reach.
It's nothing.
It's a soul trapped in a leaf. Take a look. If you listen closely, you can almost hear the screams. Well, as you can see, guys, if you take a look around, we see how the roots extend from the top of the cliff, and they fall down all the way down and try to seek life. What you're seeing here is that everybody in life grows a little bit differently than others. Everybody has their own time, their own pace, and we have to, as humans, listen to it. That is something that we must consider. That life, as linear as it may seem, it has curves, it has its ups and its downs. And we have to be aware about this. We have to be aware of the changes. And we have to be part of them.
What, you see the spot there? Yeah, sure. Tell him, man. Soon reach. Follow that up back there. It's good, man. Good workout. See, Pablo? You think he can make it?
I feel fit and healthy.
So, Yeah, so we're right outside the Grove's house, at a restaurant by the Sleeping Giant Resort. That a pose here like so. So we make it all the way to the gazebo. I'm not sure we put the gazebo there from this point.
So close. Yeah.
Outside the lake over yonder. But we're right outside to drink the Giant's King Juice.
I just want to share something with you all. I was trying to talk to Pablo about going to the bathroom, and for some reason he's convinced that he shouldn't wash his hands. Let's create a poll and let's see if Pablo should go wash his hands.
Pablo, you know want to wash your hands?
Smell like earth, like rock, dirt.
Gotta hold that stick now.
Yeah,
Boy. That way all the germs in there.
Hey man.
Yeah, what's up?
I was just gonna ask you a favor. Can you take a picture of me, man?
Yeah, man, sure. I'll take it.
Yeah. Is that good?
I think it's good.
What's your name?
Check it out, man. Jose.
Jose?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Got these tortillas. You guys good to start?
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Get to work.